girl and she goes to bed and all that.
Say cowabunga.
That's what it sounded like she just said. Cowabunga.
Say it. Say cowabunga.
Cowabunga.
No, it's stomp, 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 stomp. Now shake your booty. Shake, 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 shake. She got to put them hands right there though to shake. Yeah. Shake, 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 shake. You didn't see her. All right. Stomp, stomp, shake, 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 shake.
Man, she's done. Well, okay. Benjamin must have been bothering her.
She don't want Benjamin in her picture.
He's still in her spotlight.
Shake, 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 shake. Are you trying to see me shake mine from the back?
I don't know. I think she's moving from Ben. She is.
Ben, you about to make her mad or pull her hair?
All right, come back this way.
Carly. Shake, shake.
Nope, she's done.